Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So you may have seen in the past we did a video about DirecTV Now when it was first launching. We've had it since that video, and they definitely worked out a bunch of the kinks. Some channels kind of lag still here and there, but overall it works great on mobile, on Roku, as well as the Amazon Fire Stick, and we run it on all those different devices. But now AT&T, who owns DirecTV and DirecTV Now, they have developed their own device, and we actually are lucky enough to get one of these. So we're going to check it out. So of course you can take a look at that review video when we do that. But it just came in. Have no idea actually what's in the box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in this DirecTV Now device. So the only thing I did was just took it out of the plastic wrap around it, and it comes in this pretty cool looking box. Got the AT&T logo. This is model C71KW-200. So let's check it out. And I really don't know too much about it. I don't know what other apps you can load, or anything like that. I don't know if you can load the other channels that you can do like on Roku or Amazon Fire Stick. So we'll find that out and see what's available, because we might have to have those other units also hooked up at the same time. So again, some more stuff in the box here. Ta-da! So in the box, let's see, it says the beta program. We have our getting started guide. Said it's go time. Thanks for participating. It says some features are not 100% complete, so just keep that in mind. And that's kind of like what happened when we first signed up to DirecTV Now. Some things didn't work, but they've gotten better along the way. And overall the content is great. The quality is really, really good. And then let's see, kickback. Welcome to the best seat in the house from AT&T. Gives you a little installation guide there, how to install it. That should be pretty straightforward. Can't imagine that's anything crazy. And then safety and care. It says don't install it next to heat sources. I don't know why you would do that anyway. And then also in the box, so we have the remote control. Take that out of the plastic. Maybe I should open the bigger end and push it out that way, because that would only make sense. Duh. Open it up. So this actually feels more like a traditional TV remote compared to like the Amazon Fire Stick remote or the Roku remote, which makes it kind of hard to navigate. Harder to navigate using the channels. The channel guide has gotten much better, but it's not like a traditional remote. Or as big as one. So this looks like a lot like a traditional remote. It has a voice or a microphone button, so I guess you can do it that way. So we will check that out in the review, see how that performs. Kind of cool. It's kind of heavy too, so I'm guessing there's batteries in there. And then here is the actual unit itself. See if I can get this open. Got some good weight to it actually. Looks like a thin, like a DVD or CD drive, one of those external ones that you may have used to have for like a laptop. So in the back here it has digital audio, so that's your optical, your Ethernet, HDMI, USB, and your power. So that right there, it's a little bit bigger than an old school CD case, and then it has a little AT&T logo, some lights, and your remote IR detector. So that's pretty cool there. I don't know if it has any mounting areas on here. I have to look, see if there's anything else in the box. So maybe you can mount it behind the TV, and we'll find out if it's also a direct IR remote or it doesn't matter where it is. Because that would be really great if you can hide it. Because right now with the Amazon Fire Stick, it's hidden behind the TV. Same thing with Roku, you can do that as well. So here is the power for that. Looks like this, like about the same size as a power for maybe like a small laptop. And then the only other thing right here is the HDMI cable. So that's what's in the box of the new DirecTV Now TV kit. I guess I don't even know what they're really calling it. So that's their own unit. And again, we're going to try it out, see how it works with DirecTV Now, see what other options we have with it. But there you go. And then it also looks like on this power supply that they thought about, being able to mount that. So maybe that is the idea, to be able to mount it to a wall, and that way it is up and out of the way, and be able to do that. So we will check that out. So there you go. If you have tried this out already, one of the betas. Let us know how it went, if you like it, anything that we should look for. And if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button below. And thanks again for watching. I'm Alan, and make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.